Hey guys, me Sakura has one, and today in this video we're gonna be playing Airplane. Now, last video we played Airplane, but it turned out really bad, so we're gonna play it again and see how this works. Let's go to day. Oh, and I forgot you could turn your voice on, so yeah. What that? I wonder how much I can get for the DC Air Force One. I mean, 90,000. We don't even have that much. So, let's pick day. Go back. Last time we did the 787. I think we're gonna do 737. Let's see here. The most money. 1,525 coins. From Glenwood to Antigua. I can't read that. What was that plane? That's a cool one. So we're going to choose this one, because it's got the most money out of it. Right. So here's where we got to go. So all the way over, like the farthest one. If you can't see your airplane, so we gotta go there. auto land. This will reduce your coins by half. I learned that cool. So, back. So that does it for this episode here. So, be sure to like, subscribe, comment. See you later.